Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video, I'm going to unbox today and review in a few weeks this Amazon Basics 2-port charger. So this is a 65-watt charger, which should comfortably charge my laptops, tablets, phones, and anything else. And it's available for quite a reasonable price on Amazon. So it is around about £15–16 at the moment, but it is on offer with a 20% discount. I'll link in the description where you too can check that out on the Amazon website and make sure you have the most up-to-date prices. So I'm using my Jerry Rig Everything knife to open the packaging. Very basic packaging, as you expect from Amazon Basics. It has a clear description of what it is. It tells you that it's made in Vietnam, and it has all the other certification and recycling signs. And at the bottom it tells you that it's from some complex Amazon entity somewhere in the world. Anyway, let's open up the packaging. First up comes the Amazon Basics user manual, which seems to be nicely illustrated. Unlike other products we've had in the past, this is actually a little booklet and it is stapled, so extra money and expense has been spent on this. Very limited documentation. Let's just see what it says here. Package contents, wall charger, and user manual. We're holding the user manual. Before first use, check the product for transport damages. Before connecting the product to the power supply, check that the power supply voltage and current rating corresponds with the power supply details shown on the product rating label. And that should be fine. So what else is there? A bit of cardboard and the charger itself in a small plastic bag. It's good of Amazon to really lean into their cardboard packaging. It is recyclable and it works. And out of the box, it feels like quite a heavy charger. That's probably because it is compact. It is a gallium nitride charger and it has two USB-C ports. Here at the bottom, it gives you a little bit more detail about the charging capabilities of this. So obviously it takes power between 100 and 240 volts at 50 to 60 hertz, pretty standard for international chargers. And the output of C1 and C2 is 5 volt at 3 amps. So let me check, that should be 15 watts. Or you can also output at 9 volt at 3 amps, which should be 27 watts, or 12 volt at 3 amps. That takes it all the way up to 36 watt. And then 15 volt at 3 amp, which is 45, 20 volt at 3.25 amp, which is 65 watts. C1 and C2 at the same time are 60 watt total, 65 watt max. So yeah, obviously it depends on your combinations, but if you're just using the main power USB-C output, it will be 65 watts. You can get a maximum of 60 watts if you're using two cables concurrently. Now it's not just about the charger. You do have to have compatible cables and devices that can take the combination of amperes and voltage at the same time. So bear that in mind. Your wattage is dependent on three main variables: the charger, the cable, the device. This is just one of that part of the device. But what I'm going to do is use this for the next few days with my laptop, with various devices and various cables, and give you some feedback. I will make a point of using cables that I know and trust, cables such as the ones we've already reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. So I'll let you know which ones have been used as part of my review at the end of this video. Great, I'll be back thanks to the magic of editing in a few moments. Right then, I'm back, and it's been a while since I actually purchased the Amazon Basics 2-port USB-C charger, and I have to say it's just dropped into my bag and being part of my daily life. Not just at home when I'm sitting on the sofa or in bed, needing a bit of a faster charge for some devices, but also whilst traveling. It is a UK plug device, so in my UK travels I have been using this Amazon Basics USB-C charger, and really there's nothing to complain about. Value for money, it's pretty incredible for the price, and it seems to be almost always on offer on amazon.co.uk. Now, as I said earlier in the unboxing part of the video, I will leave a link in the description where you too can purchase this Amazon Basics 65 watt USB-C double port charger. I have been using it with Basius cables, with Essiger cables, with Tukey cables, and with manufacturer device cables from the manufacturer. So the original cable that came with the Pixel 10 Pro, the original cable that came with the Xiaomi 17T Pro, and other devices as well. So I'm very, very happy with the charger itself. It is a really good buy, and it's one I can strongly recommend. So if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll do my best to get back to you. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, such as this Amazon fast charger, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. And as usual, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.